Fashion Week is upon us, and if you've ever wondered what it takes to walk these shows, this is the video. Literally just pure delusion. It is officially time to prepare for Fashion Week. If you want to know how determined I am, it is literally a snowstorm right now, and I am on my way to a shoot to update my portfolio and just get some cool shots right before Fashion Week, because that is what casting directors want to see, that's what agencies want to see. I am gonna take you along the whole journey and just show you everything I'm doing to stay ready and stay lucky. It's gonna take a lot, and I am going into Fashion Week this season with pure delusion, just confidence and determination, because I have no agency, I'm unsigned, so this will literally just take networking, connections, and pitching myself, which I'm really good at. So we are gonna have some fun this season. So let me take you along. Let's go to the shoot and let's kill it today.
Kind of look like an actress or something.
I've been getting that a lot lately. I'm like, what's going on? I love it. I love it. I think maybe it's like a little confirmation that I should do it, you know?
What happened to?
It's not that I haven't. I'm gonna take classes.
There's definitely something here. It's very straightforward. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my god. Yeah, like this silhouette. This feels really nice.
Sick.
And I love the light spell here. That was really, really good.
Yeah. Oh, I love these. Oh my god. And that's a wrap. Good morning. We are back with another exciting day, a really full day. Today I'm going to be applying to a bunch of castings, agencies, posting, all that good stuff. And I also got a casting for this Saturday for New York Fashion Week. So excited. We need to prep for that, and I need comp cards, I need to do my nails, just do some general maintenance in preparation for the casting. I need to look my best. And yeah. Let's get on with this day. I'm so excited. I feel like snow looks good in New York for literally half a day, and then it looks like this. Yeah. What is going on right now? This is classic bang experience. Just the wind is my worst enemy. Okay, super productive day so far. I emailed a bunch of brands and casting directors, agencies. I applied to so many. I feel really good about it, and I took a little lunch break. I'm heading back to Spring Place to get a little bit more work done. It's crazy that a lot of this work is basically a lot of emails and putting yourself out there like, hey, I'm here, I exist, book me, work with me. You wanna know what's crazy? The other day I found myself at a party with a bunch of modeling agents who knew my friend. It was his birthday. It was actually really refreshing just meeting everyone and being friendly, like having a good time, and not treating it, you know, as a like networking opportunity or anything like that, but just getting to know each other and having fun, and kind of getting that idea out of my head that these agencies and the agents themselves who are so far out of reach, it just kind of made it more human to me. That friendly interaction was really nice. Gave me a fresh perspective because they also gave me so much advice, just unsolicited. I didn't even ask for it. Just hearing them give me all this advice and how timing really matters in this industry. Like, it might not just be your time yet, and that really put things into perspective because I have been getting rejected a lot lately, but it seems to me that it's not a no, but just a not yet with certain agencies. It just gave me a lot of hope because it made me realize I didn't mess anything up. I still have time, and maybe it's just not my moment yet. And I'm working towards that. I'm still building actively. We think our path should go in this certain way, but most of the time it's a non-linear path and you're gonna go through all these ups and downs and different directions. It just gave me hope and I learned so much from that night. It was definitely not your typical night out, that's for sure. And I'm really excited to see what might happen from today as I apply again and put myself out there again. And just a reminder to you too that if there's anything that you wanted to do in your career, in your life, there is never a wrong time to start again and to go for it again. And especially if you face a lot of rejection, like just keep at it. Like if you knew that you're a few no's away from your yes, like wouldn't you want to get there sooner? That is always what I think about when I put myself out there, because it's fine. It's fine to get rejected. Rejection is hot. So I ended up working for a couple more hours until I overheard a protest near me and I decided to join because ICE has been terrorizing our communities and I'm deeply disturbed by their actions. They're completely violating the law and our rights. And I just wanted to say, abolish ICE. ICE out now. Hi, good morning. Today I'm shooting with a photographer who I really admire his work and we've been following each other for years. He loves my work, I love his, and divine timing has finally brought us together. Just drinking my little matcha, getting ready, already packed my bag for today, and just wanted to take you along. I needed to get a little bit of movement in before the shoot, and also it's good to do some abs in the morning, for me at least, because it helps with my posture. I've been moving my body a lot more lately and it's really helped me, not only confidence-wise, but also just health-wise. Like knowing that I'm able to lift heavy things and just be a lot more present and open and lifted, it feels really good. Going for a very natural look, so I'm using the tiniest amount of the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint. Really blends well with my skin and it gives me a nice glow too. It has SPF, so I don't have to worry about that. And I'm just gonna tap it. Concealer is always the trickiest part for me because sometimes it really looks visible. So I'm actually gonna go in with some of this Hydro Grip Gel Tint instead. And just kind of use my fingers. Just gives me a more natural coverage. I've talked about this product so many times. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Lip and Cheek Tint and it is stunning. It's so natural on the skin. You'll see in just a second how nice it blends in and it doesn't look like I'm wearing any blush, which I love. Oh, I love it. Also doing a tiny bit of bronzer, just to bring a tad more warmth to my face. I'm feeling so pale right now. Like I feel like the sun has not kissed my skin in a long time. Even the direction of the shoot is very simple stuff, but it's mostly about the posing and the presence on camera. I was practicing in the mirror yesterday and I am excited to bring that energy on camera. It is gonna be so fun. I'm finally at a place where I'm understanding what drew me into modeling in the first place and why I'm doing this. And it's definitely about the artistry. It's not about booking a certain job. It's about bringing something creative into the world and bringing confidence on camera. I was really shy growing up and was very isolated and bullied growing up. I've never really talked about that. My mom was always like, they're just jealous of you. Like that was the kind of mom I had. But I think over time as I started getting into modeling and acting more, I got so much out of that and I really got out of my shell, which helped me tremendously. And I think I'm finally getting back to my core why as to why I started this career in the first place. And it's always been to express myself and to bring something cool into the world and also just to have fun. I think modeling is so fun, acting is so fun, and I'm actually looking into doing some acting classes this month and just expand what I can do as talent and what I bring in front of the camera, because it is literally so expansive. It's so beautiful to be able to express yourself authentically, and it's a process. Perfect. See, it doesn't look like I'm wearing much. Tiny little gloss on top. Scent of the day is none other than Felix by Chorus. This is honestly my signature scent at this point. This is all I wear. Okay, that was a wrap on the shoot. I didn't end up filming much during the shoot because we just got into it and we didn't have that much time, but I'm excited to see the photos. If you want, this is my Instagram. That's where like most of my work lives. We had this cool look going of like heels, tights, and just the red lip, and I was just kind of like holding myself like this. And then I realized that I wasn't wearing like my leather gloves, which would have been so cool for that shot. Like imagine just like the gloves like this. Ugh. And I deeply, deeply regret not wearing the gloves, but it is what it is. I will do another shoot with gloves at some point, hopefully. And now I'm just doing some boring like administrative stuff, which is needed too. I will catch you guys later. Okay, today is maintenance day. I need to get my bangs trimmed, my eyebrows done, nails done, because not only am I preparing to go to all these New York Fashion Week castings, but I'm also planning shoots, planning to shoot more content. And just for myself, I always feel so much better when I take care of myself. And it always shows up in my confidence and how I carry myself when I'm put together. So let's go do that today. I'm about to see Miguel, get a little trim. I'm not going too short, literally just want it to be right above my brows. And then I'm going to one of my favorite brow studios to get my brows waxed, laminated, all that good stuff. My brows look so good when they're laminated and they last me so long, so this is the time to do it. When it comes to my nails, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but definitely something natural. Like I need it to be natural enough to go to castings and just look polished, but not like I got my nails done. Let's go!
Well, so what's happening?
We're too silly for this. We're too silly. It looks so good. Thank you.
It's okay.
How about
It's
like that?
good. It's perfect.
Okay, perfect. Are you kidding? They look so good. I'm obsessed with them. I really just woke up today, had no plans, and was like, I'm gonna do everything today. And I've been notoriously running late for every appointment, but so thankful for everyone that is so flexible with me. I am really excited to sit down and get my nails done though, because I have to reply to some emails, messages. Today has been a full day of movement. I've been like organizing 2 shoots. Am I a maniac for shooting so much? Like, is this kind of crazy? But no, we're doing this. We're passionate about this. I'm making my way to the Jane Wade casting. I am strutting over there. Like, I have my runway music playing, and I just made my own comm cards yesterday, which I love. Can't believe I made this myself. Like, I am that determined. I am so excited to see everyone. It's always nice to see the Jane Wade team. We've worked together so many times at this point, so it's kind of just like, you know, coming in to see friends. But I'm excited for the casting. Guys, that went so well. I was fitted in a couple of looks, and We'll see. I think I have a really good feeling about this one, but I think I'm gonna end the video here just to keep the suspense going, and I will keep you guys posted on what happens this fashion week. I'll take you along in the next video, but thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next Sunday. Mwah.